Hi everyone, my name is Sam Bordelus. I'm a consultant for Plative in the NetSuite practice, and today I'll be showing you our route optimization module for field service. All right, so we've jumped into the NetSuite scheduling module, and I'm going to call your attention to two users. First, we have Rom and Sam. The issue with the Rom schedule is that all of his tasks are set to start at the same time, meaning that he has to choose which one to go to first, second, and third, which leaves a lot of room for inefficiency and guesswork in his day. Sam has had his tasks scheduled, but they might not be in the most efficient order, accounting for travel time, and there's no buffer in between them to account for that travel. So any time estimates given to clients later in the day will likely be wrong. I'll jump into Google Maps for a moment to show you what Sam's schedule looks like for today, and then we'll move into NetSuite to optimize these routes. We can see Sam's route for the day. He's got a total of 3 hours and 10 minutes of driving ahead of him, and some of those appointment times will be pushed back due to travel time between locations. Now we're here in NetSuite, and I'm going to be walking through the route optimization process. First, I'm going to navigate to the route optimization tab, just going to go to these three dots, route optimization, and click on optimize routes. That will bring up a list of employees with tasks on the date selected. It's automatically set to tomorrow, but this can be whatever you would like. And if you change that, the employees here will change as well. I'm going to select Sam and Rom because those are the two that we were focusing on earlier, and hit submit to optimize their route. After refreshing, I can see that the optimized route pages have come up for both of the employees we selected, and we have links to a task here, which we'll cover in a couple moments. And we can see the URL of their map. I'm just going to click into this, and it should show us all of their destinations for the day in the most optimized order. Here we can see the reordered list of destinations for the day, and the total travel time is now 2 hours and 6 minutes compared to 3 hours and 10 minutes when we started. So that's quite a significant time savings, and that's potentially an extra call out in your team's day. Now we've jumped back into the field service scheduler, and we can see that the issues with the original setup have been addressed. Rom now has his tasks in sequential order, and the guesswork of which task to accomplish first has been eliminated, and Sam's tasks are now ordered in a way that makes sense for his day and saves him time. They've also been spaced out to accommodate for travel time between each destination. So what you're seeing now is the mobile portion of the field service module. This is what technicians will use to navigate when they're in the field. And we're going to start by jumping into our route overview. And then I'm going to click on a route map and use the view optimized route link, which will take me to Google Maps and show me my destinations for the day and my estimated travel time. From this page, I can see all of my destinations in order and visually on the map where I'm expected to go for the day. I'm going to navigate back to my field service mobile, and I've come back to the home page. Now when I'm ready to head out for my first job, I can use the map link in the task itself, which will open up my Maps app and jump directly into navigation. Once I've navigated to that job, I can come back to my mobile and repeat for the rest of my day. Thank you for watching our route optimization demo. If your business is in the field service space and you'd like to learn about how we can help you increase your utilization rates and provide your customers a better experience, please reach out.